10 out of 10. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Corey and welcome. If you're like me, you have a major sweet tooth, and there's nothing worse than finding all these recipe videos on YouTube or like healthy dessert recipe videos here on YouTube, and it takes literally way too long. You have to dirty up a bunch of bowls and, you know, dirty up your kitchen, and nobody's got time for that. If you know me, you know that I like things to be done quick, easy, and I have no patience, so I don't want to wait for something to cook, okay? So today I thought I would share with you guys 3 of my go-to healthy dessert recipes. They are 1, healthy, 2, super easy. They take like a few minutes to make, each of them super easy, and they make like little to no mess whenever you have a super busy day and you just want something sweet. You don't want to pull out a million different things and spend an hour in the kitchen cooking, cleaning, all that not fun stuff. So I am going to be making 3 healthy dessert recipes with you guys. If you are a returning member to my channel, you will see that I am in a different kitchen, and that is because I'm at my parents' house because it is Mother's Day weekend and their kitchen's just super cute and has a lot more room than mine does. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into today's video, shall we? So our first dessert that I'm going to be making is something that you probably already know about, but it is going to be a little different because I'm using a little bit different ingredients, adding some fun toppings, you know what I mean? So what I'm going to be making is this a little rice cake peanut butter thing. So I'm just using these caramel rice cakes from Quaker. I normally have about 2 of these. So 1 rice cake is 50 calories, 0 fat, 11 grams of carbs, and less than 1 gram of protein. So it's pretty good macros. These have no artificial additives or anything, and they're low cholesterol, so that is good. They're very low fat as well. So I'm going to be using PB2 powder instead of regular peanut butter. Feel free to use regular peanut butter, but if you are trying to watch your weight or slim down a little bit, PB2 is a much better alternative because it has 90% less fat than regular peanut butter. I think if my memory serves me correctly, 2 tablespoons of regular peanut butter is like 18 grams of fat. The macros on the back of the PB2 powder. I just got this one on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. This one came with a chocolate one too, which is also really good with this. So then I'm just going to be topping it off with some chocolate chips. These ones are by Enjoy Life. They are free from a lot of different like allergens, common allergens, and I think they taste really good. So it honestly doesn't get any easier than a rice cake. Literally, you can even just use a paper towel instead of a plate, and you will have like 2 dishes to put in your dishwasher, and I'm all about that, okay? I'm just gonna make 1 today because I don't need to be eating all of these desserts, and I probably will, so. So good. It literally is so satisfying. 10 out of 10. Alright, so recipe number 2 is probably one of my favorites. If you love ice cream as much as I do, you will appreciate this. This is a lower fat, vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free ice cream recipe. So all you will need is frozen bananas. I went ahead and just chopped up a bunch of ripe bananas when they had a lot of brown spots on them, and stuck them in this bag and freeze them. I normally do this on Sunday every week, just so I always have some frozen bananas ready for smoothies or some ice cream. Honestly, that's the base, so you can make it whatever flavor you want. Today, I think I'm gonna do blueberry or mango, I'm not sure. Yeah, but I just have some frozen mango and some frozen blueberries, and then a little bit of almond milk. You can honestly make this into you know, cookie dough. You can get Oreos, smush up, put down in there. You can make it whatever fruit flavor you want. You can add chocolate chips, you can add peanut butter, whatever you want. And then you'll also need a blender or a food processor. I'm going to be using this cute little food processor. That's about what the texture you want it to be. It's like really thick and super good. See, like if you stick a spoon in there, it'll just like stand up. I'm also gonna make a mango one because why not? So the last recipe is the easiest and also the best. So good thing you stuck around because this one is literally so good. It's so easy. You can make a bunch of them at once. And these are my little date Snickers bites. So I got these from Earthy Andy's Instagram. If you don't follow her, she's literally like living her best life over in Hawaii with her cute little family. Go follow her on Instagram. She has really cool vegan recipes. And these literally are so good. Like Jack loves them too. All you're gonna need are some medjool dates. These are even easier to make if you buy them already with the pit taken out of them. It's really not hard. You just have to like cut them open and take the pit out yourself, and they're a little bit cheaper if you buy them with the pit. But so all you're gonna need is however many dates you want, peanut butter, and I would use the PB2, but honestly it tastes so much better with regular peanut butter if you're not worried about the extra fat. The chocolate chips, you can even melt these and drizzle them on top, or you can just take the easy way out of it, which is what I do, and just put them on top. Okay, so all you do is you take however many dates you want. I'm gonna do 6 of them. You can honestly do however many you want because they are literally just a fruit. You take your knife and you're just gonna stick your knife in there and pull out the dates. So these are so sweet by themselves. People use these as like a natural sweetener. All right, so once you have all the pits taken out, you're just going to take your peanut butter. Literally, this is so easy. A little bit of peanut butter and just stuff the date with peanut butter. So once you have all the peanut butter and your dates, you're just going to take your chocolate chips. I'm still using the Enjoy Life one. So these are completely vegan, dairy-free, refined sugar-free. Well, there's a little bit of added sugar in the peanut butter, but that's fine. And gluten-free, all of that good stuff. So you're just gonna take, it's like ants on a log. You're gonna take your chocolate chips. So I personally like to freeze them. You can eat them as is, they're still really good, but when you freeze them, the dates get even gooier and like more like caramel. Oh my gosh, guys, they're literally so good. They literally taste like little Snickers or like even... Alright, so that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. If you do try any of these recipes, tag me in your pictures on your Instagram stories over on my Instagram. I'll pop it up on the screen. And I would love to see if you guys enjoy them. Trust me on the dates, I know they sound weird and like they won't taste like Snickers, like come on. Trust me, I thought the same thing. They're a game changer. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, like healthy hacks or like healthy food swaps, because I like to make these kind of videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.